So let's say you're a pretty strange individual and you like drinking salty water, which I wouldn't do because it's pretty bad for you. But let's say if you did. But you're very particular about your salty water and you like it to be a particular level of saltiness. That particular level of saltiness is concentration. So let me explain. In my diagram, I've got two beakers, both containing the same amount of water. The amount of water they both contain is 300 milliliters. Now, hopefully, you'll know in science we very rarely use milliliters. We often use centimeter cubed. Milliliters and centimeter cubed is the same thing. So 300 milliliters equals 300 centimeter cubed. Now, to make your life more difficult, in chemistry, we often don't use centimeter cubed. We use decimeter cubed. To change between the two, you just divide by 1,000. So 300 divided by 1,000 is 0.3 decimeter cubed. Okay, so we got that cleared up. Both beakers contain that much water. Okay, so how do I work out the concentration in each of them? Well, I need to know how much salt is dissolved in there. So this one contains 10 grams of salt. This one contains 5 grams of salt. So straight away, you should get the idea that the 10-gram one is clearly going to be the more salty. But how do you work it out? How could you get a number value to show what the concentration is? Well, concentration is based on how much you dissolve in a given volume. So the formula comes out as concentration. So concentration, I'll just put a C for now. Concentration is the mass you dissolve over the volume. So concentration is mass over volume. Now for each one of these, you've got 10 and 5. So let's work out each one. So the concentration of the 10-gram one is 10 divided by 0.3, and I get a value of 33.3 grams per decimeter cubed. And what about the other one? 5 divided by 0.3, and I get a value of 16.6 grams per decimeter cubed. So I've got a numerical value now to show that the one with the more salt in is the one that's going to taste more salty. It has a higher concentration.